Here's a good doggies. There's a good girl. Mwah. So what day is it today? I think she's coming here today and she's got the goods. Yay! Let's go. So we're waiting for Mom. And I've discovered that if I stand right over top of them, then the deer flies don't bother them nearly as much. Especially Willow, because she gets them. They like to get right into her ears and then she can't get them out. And there could be like a dozen in there all biting her. Yeah, you're being good. You're being good. Can't wait for Mom? Yeah? Here she comes. Yay! Wow, look at the stuff. Okay, and we're all ready. Big load. Big load. Big box behind you.
Yeah.
Sometimes when I get a really big load, I see if I can put the big things on the ATV because it clears up a lot of space in the trailer. It looks like there's a ton of stuff in there, but there's just some bulky items. You all set?
I'm ready to go.
Horses? Okay, good. Doggos?
Are you ready to go too much? No.
All set. This is gonna save our lives this weekend. No kidding. Whew. Yes! Sweet victory! Yes! 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 Amazon unboxing time! Yeah! But first, I really think I can do this. Okay, one more time. Yay! Okay. So a bunch of stuff here. Some of it's from Amazon. Some of it's just new stuff that we brought from back in the city. So anyway, let's go through it. So remember this thing? And this doodad, the sharpener, is bent. And I could probably try and straighten that out myself, but I'm wary of doing that. Anyway, I bought 3 replacements for it. 3 replacement doodads. Stones, they're called. Okay. I bought another USB 2 terabyte hard drive, and I was wary of doing that because I've already got 3 USB hard drives plugged into my computer. And I really don't have another USB port to plug it into, but they're so cheap these days. It was like 90 bucks Canadian for that. This big box, I'm pretty sure I know what's in here. So it's gonna be hot this weekend. Holy Hannah, like mid 30s, mid 30s Celsius. With the Humidex, something like mid 40s. I'll put what that is in Fahrenheit up here somewhere. So we've got a tabletop fan. Oscillating 2-speed settings. Yep. And we've got there's more stuff in the box. And we've got a tower fan. So I'm not sure. We might want to use one in the bedroom. I'm not sure which one it's going to be. What are you doing? Yeah, I don't know what she's doing. Anyway, yeah, so we're not sure where we're going to use each of these. Definitely this one down here, just sitting and stuff. And then the tower fan is, let's see, 5 settings to adjust. Auto off, 1 to 8 hour auto off timer, oscillates. It's a 40-inch. Oh, it's got buttons on it, and it's got display on it. Actually, looks pretty cool. Oh, okay, I'm gonna say that for a second. Oh, and a smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector. The one I have here is started to go a little funny. Started beeping 3 times, which says on the back it needs to be replaced. That's annoying because they're kind of expensive. But anyway, and this looks like exactly the same one. So you gotta have that. You gotta have that. Let's see, where do I put this? I actually already know what's in here because it's written on the side. so last Monday, I was live streaming and I got talking about how we really need something for our live streams here, like a disco ball. And I was looking online as I was live streaming, and it turns out they're a little bit expensive to get one of any decent size. I'm trying not to cut too deep here because I don't want to cut it open. And next thing I knew, I had enough donations in the live stream to buy it. So I bought it right there. Which is probably not a good idea to do since I've been drinking, but what the heck. And all the donations came from Kemp B. So everybody can thank Kemp B for this wonderful thing. I hope it survived. I mean the trip in. Oh my goodness.
Crap, that's huge. I was not expecting it that huge.
Yes!
God.
Look at the size of that thing. How awesome is that? Anyway, we're going to be live streaming tonight, and we're going to be using this. You can almost feel her eyes rolling from across the room. Yeah, you love it, don't you?
Tequila shots, sure.
After a few tequila shots, sure. All right. Well, we know where her head is at today. I have no idea what's in this box. It looks like it has been opened and closed. Oh, what the? Okay. So there are cookies. Oh, there are more cookies. Nice. Cookies. And then a whole pile of fireworks. Oh, the same crap that was really unimpressive last time. Although, these should be good.
I got these big ones.
And new tongs. Great. Let's see. And a few more in a bag here. These should be pretty good. The 8 balls. These ones are not so impressive, but anyway, we're gonna let them all off on Sunday.
Yep.
And yeah, well, it'll be a good time. Let's see what else we got here. Woo! And we got one more thing. And you bought this where?
Stupid store.
Stupid store. So this is I eventually intend to. Well, actually, let's turn the camera on. I think. Oh shit. So the only other thing that we got was this that I passed over earlier, and it's the motor for the disco ball, so that it'll actually spin. Okay, let's move this over here. Yeah. So this isn't bad. So this is not going to be the permanent thing here. We just wanted something quickly to, put here so we could try sitting. Eventually I want to build something here that kind of comes out and then down at a nice angle, so that you can actually sit here and have a nice view out the window. Something that's movable, because it can't be permanent, because I have to get under here every now and then. But for now, we're just going to try this. Do you want to try it?
Try it.
I'm a little bit dirty.
There. What do you think? Pretend that you're reading a book. Looking out the window.
So guys, just a quick word about our Toronto meetup on July 7th, which is next Saturday, I believe. Yeah, we're going to be staying, Elise and I are going to be staying at the King Edward Hotel, the Omni King Edward Hotel, the King Eddie, whatever. Just look down in the description for the address, just to make sure you got the right one. We're going to be staying there that evening only. For anybody who wants to meet up for dinner and drinks, we're going to meet in the lobby of the hotel at 5. And we're just going to, I'm not sure where we're going. We're going to go someplace nearby, walking distance from the hotel. We're going to grab some dinner, grab some drinks. I don't know how late that evening will go. We'll probably be up fairly late. And then we'll just hit the hotel afterwards. So that hotel is a little on the expensive side. So if you want to look in the area for other hotels, then by all means, go ahead, see what's cheaper. Yeah, and please let me know in the comments down below if you're coming and how many of you there are. And anything else you want to let me know if you're staying at the hotel or if you just want to meet there. Or if you can't make it that early, if you want to meet later, let me know and we'll figure out a way to stay in contact. I'll probably just give you my cell phone number, and so you can call me if you're coming later, or if you get lost or whatever. Anyway, that's it. next weekend, July 7th. Yeah, we'll see you there. This is the motor that spins the disco ball. It's got 3 holes on it, so it's good. I'm going to attach it to the I-joist in there. The I-joist is thinner than, I could get like 2 of these in, but not 3. So I think what I'm going to do is attach it to this piece of pine through the 3 holes, and then this piece of pine, I can just drill this into the I-joist with 2 big screws. And that should fit between the I-joists. This is going to be a bigger problem though, getting electricity up there. Yeah, that's really strong. I can see myself.
I really thought it would be just a little one, you know?
Hey, wait, how did it hook onto there? I've got a ring here and a ring here. I'm missing something. So I found this on an old rubber strap that was pretty much dead. Perfect. And now the piece of resistance. Yeah, let's turn this thing on. So I just want to quickly wire up that disco ball. I don't have a lot of extra extension cords out here, and one of my good ones here was chewed up by somebody. I'm not going to mention any names, but her initials are JB. And I've got this that I cut off one of my pot lights. You don't need the plugs on those. So I'm just going to quickly splice these together. Use a couple of morettes. And yeah. So I've just moretted them up, and now I'm just going to tape them up just for a little extra security here. Not my best work, but that'll do. Huzzah! Don't fall.
Oh. Nice steady pace.
No. That'll look a lot different in the dark. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and comment and like and all that crap. And we'll see you tonight at the live stream. Cheers, everybody.